Hi, I'm Tony Mitra and today is the 18th of June 2020 and I'm sitting here on my grass reading you one more letter. This one has been written to Elizabeth May, Member of Parliament, leader of the Green Party. And here is the letter. To Honorable Elizabeth May, MP, Green Party, Saanich, Gulf Islands, British Columbia. Address House of Commons, Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, K1A0A6. Date Thursday, June 18, 2020. Subject: a motion of no confidence against the current government. Miss May, I write this letter to you as an elected member of Parliament and leader of the Green Party regarding the way COVID-19 is used by the government led by Justin Trudeau to permanently devastate Canada. Mind it, this is not the first time I have written to you. I shall be frank enough to state that your silence on each of my previous letters have not only been disappointing, these have hardened my views that our elected representatives are turning rogue. Nonetheless, I am writing to you again under this extreme threat to our nation. I am an Indian-born Canadian citizen residing in Delta, BC. I am outraged that the Canadian government has blindly taken medical advice from non-state actors to cripple Canada without either an in-house, independent, transparent and verifiable assessment of the level of threat posed by COVID-19 or an honest, transparent assessment of the scale of devastation that Canada is being subjected to by a Soviet-style forced closure of Canadian socio-economic way of life and effective abolishment of our Charter of Freedoms and Rights. No scientist that disagrees with the government's action is allowed to be on the Canadian news. The media itself has been turned into a mouthpiece of state propaganda instead of a carrier of multiple points of view on any issue. And you, Miss May, as a long-term parliamentarian, have been watching over these developments and, in my view, may have knowingly allowed this to happen. The current effort to murder Canada in order to save it from a virus is analogous to launching a nuclear missile at a mosquito. I am, by this letter, asking you, Elizabeth May, of the Green Party, to help evict Justin Trudeau and his team from the seat of power so a new alliance could perhaps be made among existing MPs or a fresh election is called so that Canadians can have a government that is for Canada and not for non-Canadian special interest groups. This subject is so excruciatingly painful to see total destruction of Canada before my eyes that I am writing personalized individual letters to many MPs and will share it with the public, perhaps even read it out aloud in front of a camera like I'm doing now, for sharing on YouTube and social media to encourage others. I'm afraid you, Miss May, will again disappoint me by sitting on your hands, but I cannot not try. So please, initiate a motion of no confidence in the Parliament against the Trudeau team and help dissolve the current government that has become the black hole of doom and destruction for Canada. Even if you are the only person calling for a no confidence vote, such an action may be the first of many nails on the coffin of a government led by a delusional Justin Trudeau that perhaps wishes to transition from an elected MP to a two-bit tin horn dictator. I did my bit as a citizen by writing to you. The ball, Miss Elizabeth May, is now in your court. Thanking you, Tony Mitra. Address, phone number and email. That, my fellow citizens, is one of today's letter being mailed out, and this is Tony Mitra. What else can I do but try, huh? Ciao.